Hey guys, for our first lesson, we're just going to be talking about performing operations with functions. And this is super duper easy. You know how to do this. If you have the function f of x equals something and g of x equals something, then you need to kind of start thinking about what you need to do when you add those two functions together. And this is just a fancy way of combining like terms, and you're going to see this in a second. If f of x equals 3x plus 2, and g of x equals 5x minus 1, then literally we're just combining the like terms. So 3x plus 5x is 8x, 2 plus negative 1 is plus 1. That's all you have to do. So let's go through each of the functions. So we just added, now we're going to subtract. So let's subtract, let's switch it up a little bit. Let's say g of x minus f of x. So I'm going to take 5x minus 1 minus 3x plus 2. Don't forget to distribute that negative sign. So I have 5x minus 1 minus 3x minus 2. Notice I'm changing all the signs there. So in this case, I have 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, and then minus 3 for my answer. Let's go ahead and do multiplication. So f of x times g of x. And here you're going to see we're going to FOIL 3x plus 2 times 5x minus 1. So I have 15x squared minus 3x plus 10x minus 2. And then combine like terms, 15x squared plus 7x minus 2. And then finally, let's do, we'll switch it up again, g of x over f of x. G of x is 5x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Now notice guys, I really can't do anything here because these are connected with a plus and a minus. The thing you have to remember is, is there anything that I can put in for x that's going to mess any of these up? And we don't really talk about this too much because there's really nothing that we can put in for x that is going to say make it undefined, except right here. And that's going to be an issue. If I have, remember, 0 on top is okay, but 0 on bottom is no way. We don't want a 0 on the bottom. So what I need to do to prevent that from happening is I need to set 3x plus 2 equal to 0 because I need to find out whatever that answer is. I don't want x to be that. So I have 3x equals negative 2, divide by 3, x equals negative 2 thirds. Now, if I ask you, or if a test asks you for the domain, any number would work except for x equals negative 2 thirds, because watch what would happen here. I'm going to come in up here. So again, I have 5x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Now I'm going to plug in this negative 2 thirds. So I'm going to say 5x minus 1 over 3 times negative 2 thirds plus 2. If I multiply these together, the 3's cancel and I get negative 2. So I have 5x minus 1 equals negative 2 plus 2. 5x minus 1 over 0. And now I've just made this undefined. So just remember when you have a problem like this, so you have like 5x minus 1 over 3x plus 2, when you're dividing it, just know that there's a little extra step here. You just need to put that x cannot equal negative 2 thirds. And as long as you do that, then you're done with the problem. Like I said, you don't have to worry about any of these because there's nothing that you can put in for x that'll mess everything up. So, and this doesn't come along that often, but when it does, just kind of keep in mind that, you have to account for that. Okay, thanks, bye.